What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. It is a beautiful day out. It is 80 degrees. It's a Friday. We're gonna have some fun, and here's what we're gonna do. By the name of the title, you guys already know what is gonna go down. Yes, I'm planning on adding a power adder to my Mustang. Tomorrow I'm headed to the track to see how fast this thing can go while it's naturally aspirated, and I'm gonna try to see how far I can push it while it's still naturally aspirated. But a lot of people around me are so fast and my skin's itching to go fast, and I've been looking online to maybe getting a Whipple or a twin turbo setup. I'm not really sure, which is the reason why I made this video, because I want to kind of talk to you guys about what is the next step we should do with this car. And I couldn't exactly choose what I was gonna do, so I'm like, okay, let me make a video to see what they think, because you guys matter, obviously, because you guys are the reason there's a channel. You guys are the reason there's even a Mustang. So I'm like, let's talk to them about it and see what they think. So we'll touch up on that topic in just a little bit. Right now we're gonna start the Mustang, and then we're gonna head out to the shop real quick. So I made a quick stop to get some Gt5. I feel like in every single one of my videos, I'm always at the gas station. Alright. Let's get on the way. We'll do a quick pull. That felt really good. Check this ram out. Looked like it ran over a tree. Woo! This thing is messed up. Oh, maybe we can see the front. Oh, wow. Alright, guys, so I just got to the shop. Let me show you guys the car in the sun. It's looking so good. Woo! It definitely needs to get cleaned, though. And then there is a Mustang right here. I think it's a 302 Boss. Not sure. Yep, it is. And then we got Lydio with his Hellcat. We're gonna do something real quick to that in just a second. But there's a Mustang, there's another Mustang, another Mustang, another Mustang, another Mustang. So it's a house full of Mustangs. Guys, if you have a Mopar, a Mustang, any car really, and you need work done to it, make sure you hit up Lydio. It's Alternative Auto Performance. You can search it up on Google Maps, you can search it up on Instagram, you can search it up anywhere, and he is the man, honestly. Tell him I sent you so he can hook you up, because subscribers definitely get a better deal. So make sure you hit him up. He is the man, especially when it comes to Mopars and Mustangs. So now let's look at some cars real quick. So check out this green Mustang. Oh man, it makes me think about my Hellcat. It's on some 15s welds. That looks really good. This green looks really good. I have yet to see a Mustang in this color. Look at that. You got the front runners as well. Looks good. Looks like he has some sort of headlight mod. Let's see what tires he got on. I think these are Mickeys. Are they? Yep, these are Mickeys. You got the Mickeys and the Mickeys out back as well. What do you guys think of this color? This color is really eye-catching. Looks good. I like it. I dig it. And then you got Lydio's 5.0. Here's like an 8-second car right here. And then you got this blue Mustang. This blue looks really, really good. And it's very clean. Look at the paint. Wow. Definitely taken care of. I like it. And then, yeah, like I told you guys, this is Lydio's car. We're definitely going to see it this year run at the track. It's pretty impressive for a full interior car. I mean, it's an 8-second car right here. And then we got his Hellcat. I'm going to show you guys real quick what he did to it once we put those rear wheels on. So here are the Hoosiers on Bravado's 18-inch wheel. And how tall is this tire? 31-inch tall tire. Look at this thing. This thing is crazy. So that is going to go on here. And I'm going to show you guys why we're putting it on. And there's something different about this Hellcat. If you guys want to comment down, I'll mention it in just a second. It's not that noticeable, but once I mention it, you won't unsee it after that. So now these are gonna go on there. Alright, they're on there. Now the other side. All done. Alright guys, so the wheels and tires are all on there. You got the Bravados in the back, and then you got the Bravados in the front. Look how good these wheels look. So now, I don't know if you guys guess what's so different about this car. Comment down below, because I hope you guys got it right. You won't notice it because it's on camera and you know, it's a white car. It's not that noticeable, but in person, you will notice it. And fender flares. Look at that. They look factory. That's how awesome these are. He just put them on, and yeah, look, the color matches with the car. You can't even notice that he put them on. I mean, it literally looks like it came from the factory. The ones on the rears, right here, same exact color as the car. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. What do you guys think? If you're not into the whole wide body Hellcat thing, where it makes it look really wide, I think this is the perfect thing for you. What do you guys think, honestly? Like, I actually like them. I think they look really, really good. And the fact that you don't notice them because it looks like it came from the factory like that just makes it a lot better. And we also got a white GT500 here with black stripes. Very clean. Very clean. I like the stripes on this Shelby. Looks really good. Also, check out these Recaro seats with the Boss 302 stitched on there. They look really good. It's a bummer that they're cloth. They're not leather, but they look really good. Alright guys, so now it's time to bounce. We got a few cool videos coming for you guys. Tomorrow there's a super big meet with a lot of supercars, so I hope you guys are into something like that. So I'll make a video on that. That should probably be posted on Sunday. And then also shout out to Steeda for the gear. They sent me about 30 shirts, and literally my entire closet is just Steeda gear, and it's literally the same black shirt, and there's just like 30 of them. So now we're gonna hop in the Mustang and get going. So let's get it. All right. Whew. What a beautiful day. It's about 80 degrees out. It's just a perfect day. So we're gonna say bye to alternative. I'm headed to the track tomorrow. Should I take my seats out for the track? I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm just thinking it would be a good idea. And would I save enough weight? I don't know. I'll think about it on the way home, and by the time I get home, hopefully I'll make a decision of whether to take them out or leave them in. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think it's a good idea to take all the seats out. Obviously leave the driver's seat in there because I gotta drive. But if it's worth saving the weight, because they are the Recaros, they're not the regular seats that come with the Mustangs, so they're a little bit lighter, but I don't know. I'll pick up the camera once I get home, and hopefully I made up my mind. Alright guys, so I'm finally back home, and I think I made my mind. I'm not gonna take the seats out just because they really don't weigh that much. I mean, the front might be like 40 pounds, if that. The rears are really light. Like, let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys are probably not gonna see it, but I was just feeling the seats, and they were just so light from the back. And then the fronts aren't that heavy because they're Recaros. Now that we got that out the way, let's talk about the reason behind this video. So, like I said, tomorrow I'm headed to the track. We're gonna see how fast it's gonna go while it's still naturally aspirated. And then from there, I really wanna do something. So I'm thinking turbos, maybe a supercharger, but I'm more leaned towards the supercharger because it'll be less problems, it'll be instant power. I love the instant power, and that's the reason why I'm leaning towards the supercharger. I'm not really sure, so I'm thinking about a Whipple. I know a few people that have done it on their 18 Mustangs, and they absolutely love it, and they really went some fast times. Like, for example, Joanna went 9.6, which is crazy fast. That car isn't even pushed that crazy, so imagine when it's pushed a little over the edge. That car could be an 8-second car. So I mean, that's that. And then there's also the turbo cars I've been seeing. They've been going in the 8s. That's cool, but I don't know. I just don't think I would want to do a turbo because I've never had a turbo car. I don't know how that is gonna be, and I don't know if I want to take on the challenges that come with a turbo car. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. You know, a lot of people are gonna have their opinions, but I really want opinions from those who have had either a supercharged Mustang or a turbo Mustang, because it's best to get opinions from those who've actually had the supercharger or the turbos. It's just a better opinion because there's a little knowledge behind it. So that's the main reason I made this video. I really didn't know what to do, but as far as right now, I'm leaning towards the supercharger. Let me know, maybe you guys could change my mind. And when is this all happening? Pretty soon. So right now, like I said, I'm really focused on seeing how much I could push this while it's naturally aspirated. I really want to get it in the 10s, and then we're gonna see how far we could go from there. Getting a naturally aspirated car like this in the 10s, I think, is pretty impressive, and it's pretty fast while it's still naturally aspirated. So we're gonna see. Tomorrow I'll know how fast this thing is. The video will probably be posted on Sunday, so just stay tuned for that. And then what else we got tomorrow? We got a car meet tomorrow and then track, so those will be 2 separate videos. It's gonna be a bunch of lit videos coming up, so make sure you stick around, make sure you're subscribed. I'm pretty stoked with everything coming along because it kind of took a little while for the car to get done, but now we're ready to roll and we're headed to the track tomorrow. But my time is done here, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, and also make sure you click the notification button to be part of the notification gang. Also, merch coming soon. I'm gonna come out with some awesome crazy merch, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And now I gotta go inside, edit, get the car cleaned up, and maybe we might have a race tonight, and that may be in an upcoming video. So peace out and have an awesome day.